So things on YouTube operate through three primary principles, and a lot of people don't understand this. Number one, your YouTube SEO, your search engine optimization, is based on your title, your description, and most importantly, the first 30 seconds of what you say in your video. That's the part that a lot of people don't even talk about, because the YouTube SEO guys on YouTube are mostly just saying, well, yeah, you can SEO any existing video. Well, I found that that's actually not the case. You actually need to have the transcript. That's why another one of my programs that's coming out we're working on it night and day is SociSNAP with voice recognition. You'll be able to, in the Pro upgrade that we're going to be announcing soon, with SociSNAP Pro, you'll be able to upload a WAV file of your audio, and it will transcribe it so that you have a perfect captions of your YouTube videos. And when you upload your text, it's right there. But here's the thing. You might check on my channel. I had a few videos about scripting, okay? What's nice about scripting, even if you do the first 30 seconds that's fully scripted, your first 30 seconds that's fully scripted, all you do is copy and paste the script into the transcription area, and it's perfect, right? Then you could use my software to transcribe the remaining part of the 5 or 6 minutes of your video.